YouTube, what's going on? I just busted a box of '09 Allen and Ginter baseball and 4 packs of 2009 NFL icons. I guess we'll start with the icons. I'll show you what I got. If you like numbered cards and stuff, then this is the product for you. There's 10 packs in the box, like 5 or 6 hits, and 2 Letterman per box. I bought 4 packs, so here are the results. Here, Leave Evans and Marquise Colston, number to 450. Lima Swede, number to 450. Sophomore standout. John Elway, NFL Legends, numbered to 599. And here's a real nice Jay Cutler and a Bears logo, and it's numbered 1 out of 75. First one. So that's pretty sweet. It's a die cut. I guess those fall 1 per box also. And I did get a Letterman, nothing great, of a Rams player, Roman Gabriel. It's numbered to 131. Very odd numbering. I got an autograph, numbered to 150, of Tyson Jackson, LSU. So that's pretty cool. And probably the nicer hit was numbered to 199, Decade of Dominance, Tom Brady, game used jersey. So if you're going to get a game used jersey, I guess Brady's the one you're going to want to get. But, oh well. That's the '09 Icons by Upper Deck. Next was the Allen and Ginter. Got a whole bunch of base and numbered cards and weird stuff, you know. But I'll just go through these real quick. Here's a Dice K box topper. You get 1 box topper. And mine was Dice K. And the base cards look like this, kind of. And well, here's just a nicer one. Here's a Yankee one. It's pretty cool. Bunch of minis. Here's Quentin, black border. There's a lot of A&G backs and everything in here. Here's a Hoodwinks and Bamboozled. Ponzi. There's a Napoleon mini. Just various stuff in here. Kevin Pukilis. Look how gay he looks on there. Here's a Alex Rios. A&G back. The Pena's A&G back also. Zimmerman A&G back. Patton rookie card. A&G back. That's about it with those. The short print minis this year are hand numbered, and they look like this. Here's a Ryan Braun I pulled. Very hard to pull these. And you flip it around, and then they're hand numbered 40 out of 50. See there? So that's pretty nice. Ryan Braun. No rip card, but I always pull a short print mini. Here's a Fred Lewis short print bat. I guess the bats are the short prints. Game used bat, Fred Lewis. And the second hit was a CC Sabathia in Yankee uniform. So that's pretty cool. Now I don't have to go buy it. I have it for my personal stash. And my final hit was a Josh Johnson autograph. It's not the greatest autograph, but hey, at least I got an autograph. They're very hard to pull. From the Marlins, Josh Johnson. That'll do it, guys. Thanks for watching.